after you connect the cartridge, you can place this one here, and then you do the marking, and from here, this is where you don't treat, and over here to here, you don't treat, and over here, this is where you don't treat. We just finished the marking for the face area. Over here, and over here, over here, and over here, where we did the cross, is the nervy area where we don't treat. And over here, we just now use the cartridge to measure, so you know where you're treating. And it works the same on the other side. So you can measure with the cartridge, and so you know where you're treating. You can connect the line. So after you finish the marking, you can apply cooling gel to the treatment area. For example, we work on this side. This is the conductive gel from Tifrano, and spread the cooling gel. So you can use both stamping and sliding technique for this treatment. Before you start, you do a test batch, and the recommendation parameter, we start from 1.6 joule, and for the testing, you can use by stamping mode. So you can test over here, and by press the button. How does that feel?
A bit tingly.
Okay. You can work your way up to a level where the clients, they feel the crinkle sensation, and that's the good energy. You can keep on working. Okay. Different from other technologies, as we know this one, you can also adjust the parameters here on this button, and press ready. How does that feel?
Better.
Okay. We can keep the energy with 1.8 for our model today. And to start, and if you want to finish your treatment quicker, you can do the preset. For example, if we plan to use 200 shots today, you can adjust the shots here. If you want to do 100 shots, you can do the preset and then press ready. And then you can start treating with a sliding technique like this, and work your way up and down. 2 passes for the same area, and then can treat here, 2 passes, 2 passes here, and press off. And this treatment can be done very quick with the sliding technique. And after you finish the 4.5, always clean the gel from the cartridge, and then you can take it off and switch to 3.0. So once it's clicked, it goes to the ready, and use the same energy but a different depth of the cartridge, and you can target this area that it shows on the interface as well. Okay. Put it here. And work here, work here, and clean, take it off, use 1.5, okay, apply more gel, over here if you want to target like this. And if you want to target this area, this area, Okay. Spread the cooling gel before you start the treatment. And we will demonstrate the SD handpiece with different cartridges to treat this side. Start from the 4.5 and connect your cartridge first, and then select the energy here. This one in the middle is the radio frequency. We start from the medium, energy level 4. Frequency stay at 1 for test patch. Energy, the highest, as you can see, it goes to 3 joule. And for test patch, we start from 1.5 and then press standby, press ready. With this one, you would need the foot pedal to do the treatment. And after you press ready, you can do the test patch. Let me know how that feels. How does that feel? Nothing?
You can turn up the energy.
Okay. We can up the energy on radio. And after you've chosen the parameters, you can also up the frequency and do the treatment with circles. Press ready, like this. You can also target this area. You can easily reach the small area with this SD cartridge. To the same area, 2 passes with a sliding technique, but you can do circles like this. How does that?
You can turn it up a little bit.
Okay. You can clean up your client